Hey, this is Kayla with Benchmark, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use Project Hierarchy in Juniper's Uinta software. I already have a project open and I'm looking at the Project Hierarchy screen. And if I click on the hierarchy level I already have here, along the top I can actually see a message stating that upon opening the project, the user is prompted to first select a benchmark, which is a point record that had been created in a previous video. You can also see that the default tab view is set to map. I will click the check mark to close that window. Also below the benchmark point record here in the hierarchy, I can see there are other records that can be linked to it. I'm going to hit the back button in the top right twice till I get to my projects list, just so I can reopen the project and you can see how the workflow for the hierarchy works. I'm going to select the project benchmark project name, and it will automatically bring me to this screen to select or create a new benchmark. I want to create a new one, so I'll click the plus, and it will bring up the fields menu where I can give it a name. I'm going to change it to benchmark 1. I could also add a description, but I'll leave it blank. I'm going to take a quick averaged position. Once I've filled in all of my fields, I will click save at the top right. Since I manually changed the name, I get a message that pops up asking to update the sequence number. I'll click yes. Then I can see the benchmark point that I just made. And if I click on it, it will bring me to the location on the map. I can click the details tab and see the field information. And if I scroll down, I can see any linked records. At the moment, there aren't any. I'm going to link some points that had been created previously, so I will click the link icon on the points record. You can see I have a list of 5 points, and I can select some of them or all. I can also create a new point by clicking Create New, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to leave the name as point 6 and take a quick average position again, then click Save. Now I can see I have one point record linked, and I can click it to bring up the list tab, and I'll click the map tab to see the point location. Well, that is everything for today's video on using Project Hierarchy in Uinta. If you liked this video or found it helpful, please click subscribe, and if you have any questions on this video or anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.